PERI construction exercise is a fundamental part of our cooperation with universities worldwide. It is aimed at bringing theoretical knowledge and practical experience together. PERI as an industrial company provides hands-on experience and knowledge in formwork and scaffolding. It is based on real day-to-day business, so these could be real projects. The experience will add to the students' practical skills and also prove valuable in the job later. Great tour. We saw all the parts used in our plans. I think it's great. They invest a lot of money to allow for such a competition, plus there's a prize.